Okay, so it's Saturday the 13th of December, the day after Joshua's birthday, and we've got flooding in Queen Camel, as you can see. It's now 5 to 11. We've been down here for the best part, well, 2 hours, and the water level's still coming up. In fact, it's starting to flow harder. You can see up there it's still flooding, stuff coming down. You can see the water has actually got a current in it now, which it didn't have earlier. There's some vehicles trying to turn around there. At least the vehicles have stopped trying to come through. We went earlier. My goodness, it is getting worse.
I've been trying to get some sandbags.
Okay, Josh, come over here and tell me what's going on.
How?
Just talk. Say what's going on. What are we doing?
We're at the top of the church tower where it's flooding down there. Look at our house on the top of a hill. And who seems to have proved in the school? Yeah, I intend.
This is Joshua's idea of improved. Looks pretty grim to me.
Hey,
someone wading across.
There's a man waist high on Mum.
Someone in the water down there. Not sure who.
Dad, the sheep has to keep on going up higher ground.
Let's have a look at them on the raft. Here we are. We'll have a look over this way. It's Rosemary's house that we were trying to rescue the things this morning. There, we go towards the hills.